Hey everyone. Today we're going to go over the best BingX Referral code, or promo code, call it what you want, and how you can use it to maximize your sign-up rewards. Using the right referral code can unlock up to $11,000 in welcome bonuses on BingX. The code you need is 3HFSN0. By signing up with this code, you get access to an exclusive welcome package that can go up to 11,000 USDT. To put that into perspective, the standard welcome bonus on BingX is usually capped at around 6,800 USDT, so using this code gives you access to a much larger reward pool right from the start. Here's how to sign up. Go to bingx.com and click on Sign Up. Enter your email, set a password, and make sure you enter the referral code 3HFSN0 in the designated field before completing registration. This step is important because the code cannot be added after your account is created. If you use a referral link from the description, the code will usually be applied automatically. After signing up, the next step is completing KYC verification. This is a simple identity check where you submit your ID documents through your account dashboard. Once your KYC is approved, head over to the Rewards Hub. This is where your bonuses are unlocked. You will see different tasks like making your first deposit, completing your first trade, or reaching certain trading volumes. Each completed task releases part of your reward, which is